Hello my dear students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine and fit. So be safe at your home, children. In previous class we have learnt about some topics of time chapter, isn't it? In this session also we are going to learn about some new topics. That is, in previous class we learned how to convert the 12 hours time to 24 hours time. So now we are going to learn about conversion of 24 hours clock time to 12 hours clock time. Let's start. Yes, 24 hours clock time to 12 hours clock time. So first of all we are taking there 11:55 hours. So first two digit is hour and next two digits is minute. So 11:55 hours means 11 you have to put dots, two dots there, and you have to write 55. You have to separate hours and the minute, you have to separate there. So and AM or PM you have to write. So 11:45, 12:45, 1:45, 1, 2, 3. If it is the time is from midnight 12 to afternoon 12, you have to write as it is. AM you have to write. If the 24 hours time is start from afternoon 12 to midnight to 12, you have to, what you have to do I will tell you afterwards. Okay, let's see there. 12 hours 12 hours there. So 12 dot 2 dot 0 0, you have to write PM. 12 hours means PM. 0 0 hours means 12 AM. 0 0 0 hours means 12 AM, midnight 12. If 12 hours is there in 24 time clock, so you have to write it is a afternoon 12, children. Okay, and then so 13 hours means you have to subtract the 1200 from the 1300. 1300 you have to subtract 1200, you will get 1. So 1 hour, 1 PM, and then 14 hours means 2 PM, 15 hours means 3 PM, 16 hours means 4 PM, 17 hours means 5 PM, 45 hours. See, you can see 18 means 18 hour means 6 you have to write, and write down 2 dots there. 45 minutes you have to write 45 minutes as it is. Don't convert the minutes. Okay, so just you have to convert the hour into 12 hours. Okay, by subtracting 1200. Okay, and then 19 means 7. 19 means 7:10 PM, and then 20:55 hours, 20 means 8:55 PM, and then 21 hours means 9 you have to subtract. From 21 you have to subtract 12, you are getting the 9 PM. Like this 30 minutes hours is 10:30 PM. Like this you have to, by subtracting the 12, that is 1200 from the given hours, you are getting the 12 hours clock time. Okay, last is 23:30 hours, that is 11:30 PM. This is the way to conversion of 24 hours clock time into 12 hours clock time, children. Okay, by subtracting 1200, or only you can take the hour part, hour number, subtract 12 there, you are getting the 12 hours clock time, children. Okay, be concentrate, go through the video. Next, the time duration in hours and minutes. For example, so exercise 1.5 in your textbook you have time duration means what? The time duration is the time taken between the beginning and end of an activity. So in daily life, from the morning till night, we are doing so many activities. Yes or no? So in every activity we have a starting time and end time for that activity. Listen it, children. So here also some problems are there. So find the time duration between. How to find the time duration between? So for example, 9:20 AM to 5:10 PM. AM means morning, so before the noon. 11:20 AM and 5:10 PM. So for find out this one, you have to write like this first. So first you have to 11:20 AM to 12. Just round up the clock. That is, so what will be the minutes are there, that you just round up. 11:20 AM to 12 PM. So if you come 12, it will be afternoon. You have to write PM there, okay? Then 12 PM to 1 PM, 1 PM to 2 PM, 2 PM to 3 PM, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to, so 5:10. So first of all you have to count and write the minutes, and last also count and write the minutes. In between 1 hour you have to, after the 1 hour you just write down to find out the time duration. So you can see that from 11:20 AM to 12 PM, how many minutes there? How many minutes? Yes, 40 minutes. How many minutes? 40 minutes. And 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, how many hours? 1 hour we divided that. That is totally 5 hours. Okay, 5 hours. And next last minutes, 5 to 5:10, 10 minutes. Very good, 10 minutes. So totally first write down hours and add the both minutes and write. How to do this one? How to write? Yes, time duration is 5 hours. In bracket add 40 minutes plus 10 minutes. That is 5 hours 50 minutes. So from 11:20 AM to 5:10 PM we have time duration 5 hours 50 minutes. This is the way to find out the time duration. Understood, children? And next we have another one question. So 17:15 hours to 21:30 hours. That is 17. 17 means 5. So you have to less 12. That is 5:15. 5:15 to convert into 12 hours clock time, children. So like just 17:15 hours to 18:15 hours. Just after the hours number you have to round up. That's it. 17 then 18 you round up. So how many minutes there? 45 minutes. Yes, 45 minutes. Okay. And then 18 hours to 19 hours 1 hour. 19 hours to 2000 hours 2 hours. 20 and 21 there hours. That is 21 hours. There will be how many hours there? 3 hours. Okay. So 18 hours to 19 hours, 91 hour. 19 hours to 20 hours 1 hour, and 20 hours to 21 hours 3 hours. Totally we have a 3 hours there. And then 21 hours to 21:30 hours. What happens? 30 minutes there. Okay. Total, just total it. We have time duration totally 3 hours and 45 minutes plus 30 minutes. We have a 75 minutes. So 75 if it is more than 60 minutes. So if it is more than 60 minutes, children, we have to subtract 60. We have to divide 75 into like this. 3 hours, write down as it is. 75 minutes you have to divide it. 60 plus something. 60 plus remaining is 15 is there to complete 75. So 60 plus 15 minutes we have to divide. If minutes is more than 60, we have to divide like this. And what will be the answer is 60 hours plus 60 minutes. 60 minutes equal to how many? There is a 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So 3 hour plus 1 hour, 4 hours you have to write. 60 you have to take it away from the minute. 16 minutes you have to take it away from minute group. That is 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. 3 hours plus 1 hour, 4 hours, and 15 minutes remaining left there. Write down 15 minutes. 4 hours 15 minutes. Like this you have to do, children. Okay, in exercise 1.5 we have word problem. Ajay reaches school at 8:30 AM and leaves from there at 2:30 PM. How much time does she spend in a school? So how much there? So first of all he start he reaches the school from 8:30 to 9:30 and leaves again 2:30 p.m. okay. So now we have to complete from 8:30 to 9:30 1 hour, 9:30 to 10:30 2 hours, 10:30 to 11:30 3 hours, 11:30 to 12:30 p.m. 3 hours, okay. Then so totally next 12:30 to 1:30 5 hours, 1:30 to 2:30 5 hours. Totally how many there? 5 hours, sorry 6 hours there. So 6 hours is he is there in a school, children. So what will be there? Ajay spent 6 hours in the school. Ajay spent 6 hours in the school. This is the way to convert the time duration. In some additions we have belongs to time, children. So let's see, add the time duration. We have a 12 hours 25 minutes, 13 hours 23 minutes. First you have to arrange into column according to their hours and minute. First you have to write hours and minute, children. So 12 hours, 12 you have to write under the hours, 25 you have to write under the minutes, and again 13. So 13 and 23 you have to write. If you add this one, 5 plus 3 8, 2 plus 2 4, and 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 1 2. That is solution is 25 hours 48 minutes. You have to write like this, okay. HRS is a short form of hours and MIN is a minute, short form of minute, okay. And then how to subtract? How to subtract the following? So 4 hours 12 minutes from 9 hours 27 minutes. So after the from, which number is there? So which time is there? That you have to arrange in the column first. 9 hours 27 minutes you have to take, children, and subtract symbol you have to insert, and 4 hours 12 minutes you have to write. Just subtract. 7 minus 2 is 5, and 2 minus 1 is 1, and 4 minus 9 minus 4 is 5. So solution is 5 hours 15 minutes. This is the way to subtract the given time duration. Okay, children. So next we have a calendar. So calendar we have, you can see there we have a 12 months, total 12 months from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Still we have a 12 months in a 1 year. We can see these two in the calendar. And calendar shows so many dates, special dates and holidays. We can easily find out by looking at calendar. And what is the days? How to find out the days of a month, children? You can use your hand. Okay, you can use your hand like this, and bumps and dips are there. From the bumps you get to start January and February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Till this you have to count it. If bumps shows 31 days and dip shows 30 days, except February. February we have a 28 or 29 days. I will tell you about that. Left this month, every month we have a 31 days 30, 31 days 30. Like this you have to count by using your hand, children. Okay, January we have a 31, February 28 or 29, March 31, April 30 days, May 31 days, June 30 days, and July and August both we have a 31 days. Here July and August, again you have to start from bump. So that will be 31 days continuously will come, and September 30 days, October 31 days, and November 30 days, and December 31 days, children. So next concept is number of days in a year. So what will be the number of days in year? Totally we have a 365 days, and in one day we have 24 hours, children. Okay, so we have a 300 normal year. We have a 365 days in a year. In one day we have a 24 hours. Okay, this keep in your mind. And then what is a leap year? In after every 4th years we have a leap year. How to find out leap year? The year is a leap year. So if the commonly we have in February we have a 28 days. If leap year will come after every 4th year, we have a February 29 days. if we have a 29 days in February, that year we can call it as it is a leap year. So how many days in a leap year? In normal year we have a 365 days. If leap year will come, so in February one more day we have to add, that is 29. 28 day common, 29 we have to add, one day we have to add, that is 366 days in a leap year. Okay, 366 days. So how to find out leap year? So if the year, the number of year, if easily divisible by 4, it will be considered like this year is a leap year. If it is not divisible by 4, so that year will not be leap year. This is another one mathematical method to find out the leap year, children. You can see 1997 year is not a leap year because it is not easily divised. The remainder should be 0, but here it is not there. That's why the 1997 is not a leap year. Another one example, right hand side we have a 2012. It divide easily by 503. So 2012 is a leap year. Okay. So this is the method to find out the leap year, children. So in these sessions we have learnt about so many important things about time, to read a time and some calculations in a time, children. Go through the video, understand every concept, children. Thank you.